Hello! In this video, we're going to set up a WordPress loop to display posts and pages in our WordPress theme. Select the article container and activate the PHP code preview in order to check the generated PHP code. From the Post section, add the loop action. The first article element will define the structure of all posts. We don't need the other articles elements, so add Don't Export action from the miscellaneous section to each of them. Let's save our template. From the WordPress dashboard, in the Settings menu, let's check the settings for number of posts. Back to the home page. Reload the page. See, there is no dummy content anymore, and our posts are visible.